Here's the thing about accommodations for kids with dyslexia. The goal isn't to prepare the path for the child, it's to prepare the child for the path. If you're new here, I'm Megan, and I help parents make confident and informed decisions about dyslexia. Accommodations are not an unfair advantage. They level that playing field so your child's intelligence can shine without getting blocked by decoding, spelling, or writing demands. Think of it like a ramp. Same destination, but fair access. My non-negotiables are simple. No time tests, because a stopwatch measures anxiety, not mastery. No forced reading aloud in front of peers, because if reading aloud is the barrier, it shouldn't be the assessment. Full access to assistive technology like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, audiobooks, screen readers, and word prediction so that kids can show what they know. And flexible ways to demonstrate knowledge, meaning oral responses, projects, short answers, or multiple choice instead of writing 3 pages. There are plenty of other helpful options like extended time, which is very important, and a multiplication chart. But the magic is in choosing the right supports for the child you have today, because the accommodations a kindergartner needs is not what a senior needs. Review those accommodations at least annually and review them with your child so they know exactly what they can use and when. If something isn't helping, don't wait. Call a meeting and swap it out. Outside of state testing, you do not have to accept a generic dyslexia list of accommodations. You can and should tailor supports to your child's exact needs. Some of my favorite non-standard but mighty additions: teacher notes provided or guided notes, because listening, holding ideas in mind, and writing at once overloads that working memory. Intentional front-loading of vocabulary and concepts before instruction, paired with quick reteach loops after to support encoding and retrieval. And frequent behavior-specific positive praise. Yes, really. Because dyslexic kids hear a lot of correction and they need explicit reinforcement when they use strategies. Like, I love how you use text-to-speech to revise that paragraph. Great self-advocacy. Add chunking and checkpointing, breaking big tasks into smaller steps with mini deadlines and quick teacher check-ins. Allow quiet testing spaces and movement breaks. Pre-approve oral or recorded responses. And when the assignment targets content, don't grade a regular sight word spelling as if it were a phonics pattern. The point is simple. Accommodations are not a crutch, they're a bridge. Choose what fits your child right now. Review them together every year or sooner if it needs change. And don't settle for generic. Be specific, be strategic, and prepare your child for the path, not the path for the child. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, share it with another parent who needs it, and check the description for resources.